All right, this is what the inside of the Ferrari engine looks like and how it works. Inside the Ferrari 360's 3.6 liter V8, each cylinder uses 3 intake valves and 2 exhaust valves. The pistons turn the crankshaft through a 4-stroke cycle. At 8,500 RPM, the crankshaft turns more than 140 times every second, showing why even small sealing problems matter. During a leak down test, we put one piston in a compression top dead center so it closes all 5 valves, and we feed regulated air into the cylinder. Now let's focus on one cylinder and follow the possible escape paths. A healthy cylinder holds most of that air with very little leakage. Worn, broken, or stuck compression rings let air escape into the crankcase. Scoring, taper, or cylinder wall damage can stop those rings from sealing. A burned, bent, or dirty intake valve leaks air back through the intake. A damaged exhaust valve sends air out through the exhaust system. Stem seals control oil, not compression. Worn guides can still affect valve seating. A cracked or holed piston also sends air into the crankcase. Coolant bubbles can indicate a failed head gasket or a cracked casting. Full video coming to YouTube soon.